In this video, we will be learning about interactive mode and script mode in Python. In interactive mode, we directly type the commands on Python shell, and then Python shell executes the commands. It is generally suitable for small programs or single line statements. In script mode, we can type the commands in a script file. We can save the file and finally we can execute the script file. It is suitable for large programs or a group of statements. So you have got confused. So it's a practical time. Let's see practically the script mode and interactive mode. Suppose we want to add two numbers, multiply two numbers, divide and subtract the numbers, and we want to take input from the user. So if I type a equals to int, so I have typed a equals to int input, enter a number. I press enter and the command is directly executed. Enter a number, I enter 10. Then I want another input, so b equals to int input. To take another number as input, so I have typed b equals to int input, enter another number. So it is directly executed. Enter another number, I have typed 20. Now I want to add a plus b 30, a minus b minus 10, a multiplied by b 200, a divided by b. So as I type the commands are directly executed on the Python shell. So this is interactive mode. Now I will show you what is script mode. For script mode, you have to click on file, then click on new file. Then you see a structure like notepad. Here you can type the commands, all the commands in one file. So in this file I have typed the command a equals to int input, enter first number, b equals to int input, enter second number, then print a plus b, a minus b, multiplication and division. So all these commands in single file. Now I have to save the file. Save and type the file name. Suppose the first, and then click on save. To execute this file, click on run and run module. Look, the module is executing. Enter first number, that is 10. Enter second number, that is 20. First, this 30 is 10 plus 20. This is 10 minus 20. 10 into 20 and 10 divided by 20. So all the commands were typed in a single file. So most probably we create large programs for a group of statements, so we have to save the file and then execute the file. So that's all about interactive mode and script mode in this video. Take care. Bye.